Hi everyone! Today we are here at the Meadows in Punggol, and today we are going to look at a high floor 5-room unit for sale. If you're looking for a home in a peaceful area, yet with the convenience of amenities and schools nearby, this could be right for you. Hi, my name is Belle, the host representing the OrangeTee entire AAG division. Now come with me to check out this beautiful home. Conveniently located right beside Kadaloor LRT station, Block 641A Punggol Drive offers lots of amenities within reach. Oasis Terraces is just one LRT stop away, and Waterway Point is also 3 LRT stops away for more conveniences. What's more, Waterway Primary School is right across the road for your child's easy enrollment. Welcome to this spacious 5-room high-floor unit spanning at 112 square meters. Now as you enter this unit, you will be greeted by the generous living and dining space. This space here for the dining area allows you to fit in an 8-seater dining set comfortably. And look, there is even a side window allowing light to come in through the dining area. The dining area is located right beside the minibar counter area and is strategically located at the side of the kitchen. It's easy for homeowners to serve the food from here as well. This living area is so spacious that you can easily fit in a large 3-seater sofa, a coffee table as well as a TV console. Now this full height window right here brings in a lot of natural light to give this house a warm and cozy feeling. Here we are in this kitchen, which is bright and airy. And over here, you have your usual kitchen appliances. And in this kitchen, you will never run out of storage space with top hung cabinets and bottom cabinets as well. So here we are in the master bedroom, and it's so spacious that we can actually fit in a king-size bed as well as a movable wardrobe. Now for all the bedrooms, there's little to no built-in furniture at all, so you can fully customize the bedrooms to your liking. Thank you for joining me on today's house tour. Now, if you like what you have seen, do not hesitate to call Johnny Ng of OrangeTee entire AAG division at 9380-2560 for your exclusive viewing. Once again, my name is Belle and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Goodbye!
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.